여기서는 어디서 링크를 카피하나? 네, 여기서 하는구나. 네? 이거 아닌데. 여기 있구나. Right. Right. Okay. So that the main transportation was through the ship. Water is okay. Nobody has a problem with running through water surface using ship. The ship was very important for transportation. So Mediterranean is. Otherwise, you cannot travel between countries using large vehicles. So massive transportation of big number of person is not available. Right? So that's why Viking was, and also So today we'll cover the second part. Right, this one, right. 오디오 세팅 레코드 꺼야 되는데 아직 안 됐어. So this is second part overview of Naval. This is the book. And we are covering whole book as a summary. And this is Christopher Columbus. Columbus. You know who is Columbus? Yes. No. Yes. No. Everybody knows a very famous person, right? Okay. There are several people already. No, she is gay. Okay. So Columbus, your eyes think about guessing European can reach China, not America. China. You want to reach China? Why say West? West. That means through the from Spain towards say Africa and then India and China. That is the West, right? No. That is East. West is this way, right? From Spain, the West is America. Atlantic. So he tracked codes at that time. I guess another country, probably. Not Netherlands. Portugal was before the Spain. Probably strong. So that they already reached to India and then get very good trade between Europe and India, right? So that he wants to find another way, right? So that they had a theory that arrived in China by sailing only west and west. But it is very dangerous business at that. Venture business. Big money, big risk. Right? High risk, high return. High risk. So that nobody wants to let him go to build and hire people to make it. Explore, travel. Very high risk travel. West is the first time try West to make Atlantic way go to Japan. Through around the world, around the globe. So King and King just is alive more than anyway. They provide funds. So it is an investment for them. High risk, high return investment. Fund the Voyage end of 20th century. Three ships. Not only and Santa Maria was famous. No. This is different one. Then Spanish Armada and English ships. The fight, big fights. This is 100 years later. Almost end of 15th century. This is end of 16th century. The big fight between Spain and England. At the time, Spain was the biggest in terms of ocean ports, and that means probably the world's emphasis into the ports. But English is trying to overturn leadership of ocean ports. Navy power. So this is the big, one of the big fight. After this, English become the first runner. That gives you the United Kingdom and Emperor, so that great. So that is the history towards our history now. And Delhi is one of the ships that is used for the area for years. Type of ship, very famous one, Delhi. But mainly for wars. Even though there is a sale, war is the most propaganda in 16th century. We expect that Israel said that they mainly for Mediterranean Sea. mainly for Mediterranean Sea. 내 거를 하나 꺼야 돼. 내 거를 하나 꺼야 돼. 저게 되면. 내거 끌까?
네, 여기.
녹화랑 잘 파악하셔야 돼요.
네.
그건 여쭤보면 team power, probably the same card stack was a water pump. In the end of 76. Before the big fight between Spain and England was end of 17th century, no, 16th century, maybe 17th century. Water pump. Team powered water pump. And coal-fired steam engine, because it is important for ships, used for ships, and also mining, and also cotton fabric making factories. It is only 19th century. And then we have diesel engine. So you can wooden ships. Santa Maria, well, let's see that Columbus. Which one is Victoria? Victoria? And I cannot remember. This ship is famous for what? Can you find out? Can you Google? Santa Maria is in Columbus, right? Victoria, any Korean student knows about Victoria? Mayflower? Mayflower is for the then steamship is coming or 19th century. But every 60 years later, that sail is also used. But at the time, the steam turbine mechanical engine there, but still sailing is important. Engine is the the origin of engine, main terminology of engineering. The engine is locomotive engine, and then Benz has a patent on car or late 19th century. So this can be the first stop. This one looks like a locomotive engine, but it is for train. And then also the Isaac Newton has write a book on uh, uh, physics or dynamics in late 17th century. Based on these theories, somebody engineers develop engines for the train and once again, when you see that Roman street is made of on the page, but it is only near cities, not between countries. That's why in say several thousand years old, the desert area or the high the Mongolian belt something, there was no tree, only small uh, grasses and small trees are paving so that they can move through those areas, not the hot, hot and humid areas there because of the trees growing fast. Iron ships, 19th century, first iron steam engine, steam engine. You see that core is running there. Then sailing, ship. The steam fuel outside is fuel to sail there. And warships starts coming. Titanic is about Titanic. Half of you saw the film of Titanic history. And it is early 20th century, but this one is very famous because very new first voyage from in Europe to America, but sink and then many people died. So investment was very big, new ships, very high class ship at that time. And because of this first voyage, very famous people are on board to celebrate those first voyages. But okay. 벌써 funding from ordinary people. Think probably the safety and technology is important. Probably more important than now at the time because of religious uh, the classification society was the outflow of this story because now venture business, banking, insurance, insurance is coming grow out of such a Columbus days of uh, exploration. So Lloyd was at that time also started around insurance companies, but now they are only specialized for technological survey for the you have a interest, you can what is going there. Usually they are saying who is the owner of the building? Probably Christ, right? Because inside Christ. And who is constructor? And then the other one is who is designing this drawing, and also who is survey. Survey means quality control. Usually for the construction site, building construction, the designer office, designer is 설계, 설계 means design, then company is survey. There is separate names of company. Can usually work together. If, if you go to the big construction like the 100, this one is something like a surveyor for the shipbuilding. Surveyor for the specialized technological surveyor to guarantee the security, safety, quality of non-governmental independent organization, civil owner, the owner who uh, provide money to build and guidance that the the uh, the stakeholders, insurance company, the Lloyd started as an insurance, but now it's banking together and also credit union society. Shipbuilders like Hyundai or Hanwha or other shipbuilders who make the construct the ships and owners who has the money. The usually shipping company for ships, building and construction industry is similar to shipbuilding industry in the land base. But and design construction survey, 설계 시공 감리 survey is for the Christian society and
related ones. It is for non-destructive. What is non-destructive? What is means? Yes. Example is welding. Welding is try to build a shape. You need to weld between two steel plates. Well, quality of welding. How can you check? How can you check welding? Right. So that kind of situation. Next thing is you can break it. You can place hard forces on it to see the best condition of result can be same strength as the original plate. After welding, putting together original plate has a strength level. After welding, same level is best, right? But how can you know that it is well welded? We need to have a testing, examination. But this is saying not breaking, not destructing. But how can you do this? Usually using, say, X-ray or other ways, different of breaking. We call this the non-destructive testing. Anyway, somehow it should be, or building should be, this building, it should be well constructed because there are many construction sites. It can be break after construction. Right? This building can break, right? Storm is coming or earthquake is coming, can break, right? But how can you ensure that construction is well done? Well done. Based on design, shipbuilders, Crashmere Society, and shipowner. I want to build my home. How many? EO1 in Korea, right? And $20,000? No, $100,000? $100,000? I can be a homeowner and ask a construction company to build my home. My big money is good, right? But I want to know whether he is doing well, safe, good, quality construction. He is the survey, right? Because I don't know much about home construction. Instead of me, whether the ship is well. Money, I don't have big money, so I borrowed from the bank to build my home. Right? And then banking people is not worry about this construction together. For the ship, because big money, $1,000 million, or $100 million per ship, right? So that ship owner doesn't have big money left in his pocket. He lent big money from banks, and also insurance companies coming. So it's a complicated organization to build the ship. That's why those organizations are working. Loyalty around the world, United States. There was a separate one, Dominic Lloyd, that that North Veritas, but now they are combined about 10 years ago into one company, Lloyd, Japan, Europe, China, Korea, India, and then they have a international association. Us working together. Banking transit. Oh, this is for shipping, not for the shipping. But I'm trying to show you the stakeholders. This is for shipping, not shipping. Where's shipping company? Oh, think. Agent for the terminal. When I was returning back to Korea 30 years ago after studying in the United States, I buy Sonata car in the United States and trying to bring to Korea. So my movement package was not small, including one car, passenger car. After receiving my mortgage, I found that it was container, more about container transportation later, but my experience, but even including car, my movement package was not full of one container. It's about half of containers, including car. The remaining half was filled by another car. I don't know which one is. In that case, forwarders are working for this kind of thing. They are collecting small cargoes together and then arrange one several containers packed. And then shipping company. Shipping company, they operate, say, 10 ships. 10 ships of container ship, probably which each ship can carry 10,000 containers. Depending on the shipping company. That's it. So, for the shipping company, they are talking about hundreds of containers for ports. In some ports, I need to upload 3,000 containers, download 2,000 containers, something like that. Not half container size movement. They are not interested in the kind of thing. So myself was 하고, right? 하고, 이렇게 삼성 electronics, they sell smartphones and washing machines to United States. So it's a big cargo owners, but myself also cargo owner. Borders are collecting small companies, small cargoes collecting and then hope to make the shipping company. Terminal, you know, the port, you know,